My name is Antonio Barrera. I'm from Airbus, space, defense and space sector, and we participate in CLASCO with the use case 1, the development of a clamp band assembly with new features and improved to be tested. We develop, design, manufacture elements for launchers, different launchers in the world, and satellites. Okay, all the rest of the company is working with planes, developing different parts of planes, etc. This project we participate because we saw a possibility to reduce the environmental impact and to improve, of course, our commercial aspects in order to be more competitive with respect to the other companies in order to sell our products. These are the two main advantages. Specific domain is the control of the surface, because the surface functioning, the friction coefficient, etc., is something not very controlled normally. And what we expect is to have a way to define, to control, and to make it repetitive. Like this will be best known, best controlled. We can modify if we need. So the controlling of the surface functioning, not the aerodynamic, because our part is not nothing to see with the aerodynamic. But the main function is the friction with respect to other parts. So we need to control better this aspect, the friction functioning. Final stage, we will perform a separation test. A separation test means a test with the elements that join the satellite to the launcher vehicle. We simulate the separation of the satellite from the launcher, thanks to our clamp band assembly.